Okay, Cindy. So let's log in here. As you can see, I'm logged in as you. Okay. I've never seen this course in Spanish before, but so you click on forums. This is our forum area. And so this is discussion 1, and this is discussion 2 that you haven't participated in. So you click here. Let's just say the first one. So it loads up. As you'll see, right, these are my instructions. You make a post to my instructions, and then you read through your course mate's post, and then you find something interesting and try to interact with your course mates. Okay, so that's all there is to it. You just need to, based on the email I sent you yesterday, you haven't posted in either of these discussions. So discussion 1 and discussion 2. Okay, same thing, make a post and do some interaction. Okay, hope that helps. If you need anything else, let me know.